our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Bluey as a flower girl. So let's start drawing. First, draw an oval shape for the eye. Then draw a smaller one inside and color. Draw a horizontal line coming out from the side of the eye. Then draw half an oval shape on top and another smaller one inside, then color. Draw a triangular shape at the end of the line for the nose. Then color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curved line coming down from the nose, then to the right. Draw a mirror image of the letter C and extend it a little bit to make the mouth. Draw a wavy line at the top of the mouth for the T. And draw a small line to close the mouth. Then draw the tongue inside at the bottom. On top of each eye, draw a thick eyebrow. To make the flower headpiece of Bluey, draw flowers in between the eyebrows. And on top of them, and on the sides as well. Draw some more smaller flowers in between to fill the space. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then draw some parts of hidden flowers under the eyebrow. Draw a small curve in the middle in between the eyebrows and another smaller curve on the left side. Then draw a vertical line coming down from the flowers, intersecting the nose part. Then draw another line on the other side. Make it stop at the eye level. Then draw two diagonal lines for the arm. And draw the fist by drawing some tiny fingers and a tiny curve in the palm. Decorate the arm with a curved line near the end. Complete the vertical line on the side of the body. Then join the two sides with a horizontal line to finish the rectangular body. Draw the other arm on the other side, similarly by drawing two diagonal lines and the fist. And decorate it with a curved line near the end. To make the leg, draw two vertical lines coming down from the bottom of the body. Then draw the paw at the end with two lines for the toes. Decorate the leg with a line near the middle. Draw the other leg similarly. Draw two curved lines coming out from the side of the body, then connect them with some curves to make the tail. Decorate the tail with a line near the middle. To make the ribbon on the head piece, draw the bow at the right side, partially hidden behind the flower. Then draw the ribbon coming down from it, connecting to the hand. Draw an upside down letter V on the flowers and another smaller one inside for the ear. Then draw the other ear similarly. Decorate Bluey's body with curved lines around the eyes, half a square with curved corners on the belly, and the spots under the arm. Decorate the nose and mouth part with double curved lines. Yay! Now you can draw Bluey as a flower girl. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.